Hello children, today we are going to solve word problem for addition. So take out your maths notebook, open new page, write down today's date. Now you know that we are going to solve first time word problem. So you have to remember the following things which I am going to tell you. Now we will see keywords for addition. Now what are these keywords? Means whenever you will get any question for solving the problem, that time you have to see these words. If these words will be there in the question, then you have to do addition operation. Now the first word is total. Means whenever you will see total word in the question, you have to do addition operation. For example, if the question is Riya has 5 black beads and 8 red beads. So how many beads she has in total? Means here total word is there, so we have to do addition operation. Means 5 plus 8, 13, like this. Now the second is in all. There are 5 boys in a class and 10 girls in a 5 boys and 10 girls in a class. How many students are there in all? So we have to do which operation? Yes, we have to do addition. Now the third keyword is altogether. Whenever you will get altogether in the question, you have to do addition operation. So you have to remember always that the keywords for addition for solving word problem. Whenever you will find total, in all, altogether in the question, you have to do addition operation. Yes, is that clear?
You're going to solve word problems. These word problems are not given in your textbooks, so you have to write down directly in your notebook. So write down today's date and see the first question. Anil bought 2 cows. It cost him rupees 2,795 and rupees 1,880. How much did he pay in all for 2 cows? Now you can see this in example, in all word is there. So this is a keyword. So you have to underline this word, because from this keyword we have to know what we have to do in this example. Now while solving word problems, you have to do 4 steps. First one is given, which you have to write from the question. Second is find out. Third one is operation. And fourth one is method. And finally you have to write down the answer. Now see in given what you have to write. In question given, Anil bought 2 cows and for 1 cow he has given 2,795 rupees. So in given also you have to write down cost for one or first cow is rupees 2,795 and the cost for second cow is equal to rupees 1,880. So this you have to write down from the example. Now second step is find out. In this find out also you have to write down the question, how much did he pay in all? So this you have to write down from question. In question C here given, how much did he pay in all for 2 cows? So for find out also we have to write down this, and in this also in all word is there. So you have to underline this in all word. From this word you have to remember that you have to do the addition for the operation. Now the third step is operation. So operation is what? Addition. So we have to do the addition for this sum, because we have to find out the cost for the 2 cows in all, means together we have to find out. Now the method. For the method you have to arrange these numbers vertically and arrange that numbers place wise, that is units, tens, hundreds and thousands. So first number is 2,795 plus 1,880. So start our addition from unit place. 5 plus 0 is 5. In tens place, 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. So write down 7 and 1 you have to carry over in hundreds place. In hundreds place, 1 plus 7, 8 and 8 plus 8 is 16. So write down 6 in hundreds place and you have to carry over 1 in thousands place. Now in thousands place 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So our answer is 4675. So we have to write down the final answer that Anil paid rupees 4675 for the 2 cows. Now moving to the second question. See the second question given. The population of the town is 76,560 and the other town is 57,940. What is the total population of both the towns? Now in this question is given the population, means number of people given in one town is 76,560 and the other town is given 57,940, and our question is what is the total population of both the towns. Now see here, the keyword is total. So from this word total we have to understand that we have to do the addition. Now we are going to write down the first step that is given. So this given you have to write from the question what you have to given, that population of one town. See here, the population for the one town is 76,560. So same you have to write down in given also. And second one is given population for other town. So this also you have to write from question 57,940. Now second step is find out. So what we have to find out? See the question is given what is the total population of both the towns. So in find out also you have to write total population of both the towns. So you underline the total word, that is this is the keyword for the addition. So our operation is addition. Now the fourth step is method. So you have to arrange this both the numbers place wise and we will do this addition vertically. So see units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s and lakhs. Our first number is 76,560 plus second number is 57,940. Now add first units. 0 plus 0 is 0. In tens place 6 plus 4 is 10. So write down 0 in tens place and 1 you have to carry over in hundreds place. In hundreds place 1 plus 5 6 and 6 plus 9 is 15. So write down 5 in hundreds place and 1 over in thousands place. Now in thousands place 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 4 write down in thousands place and 1 carry over in 10,000s place. So in 10,000s place 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So write down 3 in 10,000s place and 1 we have to carry over in lakhs place. So in lakhs place only 1 is there. So write down only 1 in lakhs place. So our answer is 1,34,500. So finally you have to write the answer. The total population of both the towns is 1,34,500. Now see our third word problem. There are 1,238 students in the junior school and 1,562 students in the middle school. How many total students are there in school? In this question, there is given the number of students in junior school and number of students in middle school. And the question is how many total students. So here the keyword is total. So from this word you will know that what we have to do. We have to do the addition. So our question is how many total students are there in school. Now our first step is given. We have to write down the given from the question. What is given? Number of students in junior school is equal to 1,238 and number of students in middle school is equal to 1,562. Now our second step is find out. So what we have to find out? See in our question how many total students. So in find out you have to write how many total students are there in school and just underline the keyword again total. So from this word again you have to know that what we have to do is addition. So our operation is what? Addition. Now for method, these both the numbers. First arrange them vertically and arrange them place wise, units, tens, hundreds and thousands. Our first number is 1238 and plus our second number is 1562. Now add this both from units place. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 0 in units place and 1 we have to carry over in tens place. Now 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. So write down 0 in tens place and 1 we have to carry over in hundreds place. And again 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. So write down 8 in hundreds place and in thousands place 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer is 2800. So finally you have to write down the answer. There are 2800 students are there in school. So like this you have to write down these word problems in neat and clean handwriting.